Hey y'all, it's Andy, Muscle in the Mountains. If you are ever in the Buncombe County area on a Tuesday afternoon, come on over to Walmart in Weaverville, as there is an awesome cruise-in every Tuesday, weather permitting, over here at the lower parking lot of Walmart, lower end of the parking lot at Walmart in Weaverville. These guys have some amazing vehicles, some great folks. Come check them out, maybe bring your car or truck and hang out a little while. I believe right now it's about 5 p.m. See that sun starting to get low here in the fall. This is early October, but there's some fantastic rides. I don't have my gimbal or anything with me, so it's going to be a little bit shaky. I'm just hand holding this with my phone, but didn't want to pass it up. We came out today. Isn't that awesome? Gorgeous vehicles. One of our favorite 55 Chevys here. Isn't that awesome? Very nice. Check out this 64 Corvette convertible. Very nice. Yeah, it's a cool car right there. And something you don't see every day. 1965 Chevelle Malibu wagon. Look at that. White interior. Got the baby blue top. She got that white, or the blue and white on the inside. Very cool. Hey, bro. Love these 65s. And check it out. 1970 Chevy Nova. 70 is such an awesome Nova. Isn't that cool? Very nice. This one has the fender gills. That was a 69 and 70 thing. Got those. Nice. Very cool. Couple more vehicles over here. Check out this. Couple more Corvettes. We got a, what's this, late 70s, mid-late 70s. Very nice. Like that checkered flag down there on the bottom. Very cool. And 66 Corvette convertible. That's sweet. Yeah, if you're ever in the area on a Tuesday afternoon or feel like coming out, there's great cars and trucks, great people. Come out to the cruise in Weaverville. And just a quick little video here, so come on, click into this next one right up here, and we'll see you on the next one.